Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com, the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming here with another super cool product. This is from MXLmics.com. Now, you've probably been seeing me promo these on the Chris Voss Show podcast. You've probably been seeing the boom they sent us that we'll be unboxing here. And we, of course, been using a couple of their different mics. This one that I'm actually doing this voiceover on is on the Blizzard 990, which comes as a part of this package. They had also sent us their MXL BCD-1 we're reviewing on a separate post. I actually like that one better than this one, but we're going to go ahead and finish this review, and you can check it out. Now, basically what this is really cool, I've been needing this for a long time actually, is this is their MXL Overstream it's kind of setup. So you can basically get the mic, you get the pop filter, which we're using right now, you can get the desk boom, if you will, and then you can also get the audio converter, which is really nice. I'm in love with the audio interface thing. Basically what it does, it hooks into the line of the XLR and turns it into a USB conversion. But I also love it for, you can plug it in your computer, and you can also adjust the gain, you can adjust your volume for your headphones, and you can listen in with your headphones. I really love this optional audio interface thing. We'll unbox that here in a second so you can take and see it. It's pretty darn cool. A lot of different stuff that you can get with this, and you can actually exchange it or change it over to where you can get their other, I believe it's their other Blizzard microphone that you can take and get with this. So you can take it one way. The cool blue is really nice. You can either get the Blaze or the Blizzard to take and do with this, and they're both MXL 990s. The Blaze has kind of a red look, and so you can either do Blizzard or Blaze, and of course it's red with the black casing, which looks really cool actually. Really nice looking for what's going on. You can go to the website at mxlmics.com, search for the podcasting Overstream bundles, and basically it'll help provide live streamers with high quality studio XLR microphone that delivers a drastic upgrade in audio performance. Comes with the essential accessories for live streaming. It's desk mounted hinged arm mic stand that comes with it, integrated all-in-one pop filter and shock mount. One of the other things you're going to get with this baby is choice of either the 990 or the 990 Blaze, like I mentioned, and it includes a MicMate Pro XLR to USB audio interface. I love this thing. This thing's so great. I wish I had had this for everything. It's the 990 Blizzard or Blade is going to give you exceptional sound quality, wide frequency response, tight high end, solid low and mid-range production, and it rejects any noise from behind the microphone, and the illuminated LED lights in the grill complement any sort of modern gaming rig. I like it. I got to tell you, I switched it out though for their BCD-1, but it's a good mic, and the table stand is really awesome. You can either screw it to the table, or you can use a wrench to kind of wrench it down, if you will. It's got the pop filter, which will eliminate your plosives for when you're all that sort of good stuff. It's got a 1/4" 20 connection, so that you can take and screw it on to what it needs to for the boom. It also, the shock mount dampens vibrations. It's got an integrated shock mount with an all metal build, and it holds right onto the baby snugly. You can pull it out and in as you need to go. Love the optional audio interface. That thing is great. You can start live streaming right out of the box, and I love how it hooks right into my computer. If I want to put it into an XLR sort of board, I can do that. I don't have to use the converter, but I love having it. Works on your 48 volt phantom power, and just really good for what you want to take and do. For the Blizzard, it's a fairly good mic. I love it. So far, I'd rather have the BCD on my podcast. It's just more warmer, richer sound, which I think it's made for. This thing will do 30 hertz to 20 kilohertz of frequency response, which is good for lead and background vocals. This mic here is made a lot for podcasting, gaming, and you can use it for audio too if you want. And it'll give you a good sweet, silky, high ends, tight, lows, mid range, and of course you got the glowing things as well. It's got some pretty good tech specs to it. It's got a pressure gradient condenser microphone with a cardioid puller pattern. Impedance is 200 ohms, and you run on phantom power. Away you go. On the Blizzard, it's got the white finish. On the Blaze, it's got the black finish. And yeah, you can get this with a number of different pop filter accessories. If you don't like the one that comes with the package, the bundle, you can get some really nicer ones. I'm sure you spend some more money, and nicer shock mounts if you want. But the ones that come with the mics, it does a great job. Plus you get everything all in one bundle. I'd highly recommend it. I'm very impressed with it. I like the mic. I'd probably use it as a guest mic, or a mic that wouldn't be used as much for my podcasting taste. But I got to tell you, I really love the whole bundle with the MXL BCD-1. And we'll be reviewing that microphone on another review. So be sure to watch for that. And also, you may see me using that mic used a lot on the Chris Voss Show podcast. In fact, it's pretty much become the exclusive mic. So I love the Blizzard. It's a wonderful mic. It does a great job. And I'll let you judge for yourself. We're actually recording this voiceover with it. So everything you've been hearing is on the Blizzard 990. And I'll let you decide what you think about that. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. We certainly appreciate it. We got a number of mics reviewing from MXL, so be sure to watch for those or search for those on the Chris Voss Show. Thanks for your time. We'll see you next time.